there, DIY lovers! Welcome back to your channel name, the ultimate spot for creative home projects, organization hacks, and furniture transformations. If you've ever wanted to give your home a stylish upgrade without breaking the bank, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into affordable DIY furniture hacks for stunning results. From upcycling old pieces to creating one-of-a-kind designs using inexpensive materials, I've got you covered with easy-to-follow hacks that will completely transform your space. And the best part? These projects won't drain your wallet. So grab your tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's jump into these game-changing furniture hacks. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an exciting DIY project. Y'all, I love a good repurposing project, and this first hack is one of my favorites. We're taking an old, maybe even slightly beat-up dresser and turning it into a statement piece for your living room. That's right, we're making a TV console. It's amazing what a little vision and elbow grease can do. Now, this dresser might be headed to the curb for some, but I see potential. It's got good bones, solid wood, and those details, they just need a little love. We're going to give it a modern farmhouse makeover that'll have you wondering why you didn't try this sooner. First things first, we need to assess the situation. How many drawers does it have? If it's a bit crowded, consider removing a few to create open shelving for media devices. This will give it that airy, open feel. Next up, sanding. This is key to a smooth and professional-looking finish. Grab your sandpaper, medium grit first, and let's smooth away any rough edges or old paint. Remember, a little elbow grease goes a long way. Now for the fun part, paint or stain. I'm leaning towards a classic, timeless look for this piece, so I'm going with a rich, warm wood stain. But if you're feeling bold, a pop of color like a deep navy or a chic matte black would look amazing too. Remember those old knobs? Time to retire those. We're swapping them out for some sleek, modern hardware. It's incredible what a difference new handles can make. To add a little something extra to those open shelves, consider lining them with some decorative contact paper. It's a fun and easy way to bring in some personality and tie the whole piece together. And there you have it, a brand new custom-made TV console without the hefty price tag. Style it with your TV, some family photos, maybe a few vintage finds, and get ready to be amazed by your own handiwork. Now, who doesn't love a good palette project? They're like blank canvases just begging for a little creativity. You can find them for cheap, sometimes even free, and they add so much rustic charm to any space. Today, we're turning one into a beautiful, functional coffee table. First things first, give that palette a good inspection. We want to make sure it's nice and sturdy. Once you've given it the green light, grab your trusty sandpaper and let's smooth things out. Get rid of any splinters or rough spots. Now for the fun part, deciding on the look. I'm picturing a cozy farmhouse vibe for this project, so I'm going to enhance that natural wood grain with a beautiful, rich stain. But if you're feeling a more modern look, a sleek coat of white or black paint would be stunning. To make our coffee table mobile, we're adding caster wheels to the bottom. This way, you can easily move it around the room as needed. Just flip that palette over and use your power drill to securely attach those wheels to each corner. And for a final touch of elegance, I'm adding a piece of tempered glass on top. It instantly elevates the look and makes it super easy to clean. And voila! You've got yourself a gorgeous one-of-a-kind coffee table that'll be the envy of all your friends. Gather round, y'all, and let the good times roll. Don't you just love it when you can take something old and forgotten and turn it into something beautiful and functional? That's exactly what we're doing with this next project, DIY floating shelves from scrap wood. They're all the rage right now, and for good reason. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need some scrap wood pieces. Don't worry about them being perfect. The beauty of this project is its rustic charm. Measure and mark your desired shelf length on the wood, then carefully cut the pieces using a saw. Once you've got your shelves cut, it's time to give them a little TLC. Grab your sandpaper and smooth out any rough edges. Then, choose your finish. I'm going for a warm and inviting feel, so I'm using a medium-toned wood stain. But you can paint them any color you like to match your decor. Now comes the fun part, attaching the shelves to the wall. We'll be using L-brackets for this, which you can find at any hardware store. Measure and mark the placement of your brackets on the wall, making sure they're level. Then, use a power drill to securely attach them to the wall. With your brackets in place, you're ready to mount your shelves. Simply position them on top of the brackets and use screws to secure them in place. Make sure they feel nice and sturdy before you load them up. Now comes the best part, styling your new shelves. Let your personality shine through with books, plants, family photos, or any other treasures you want to display. These shelves are not only practical, but also a beautiful way to add personality and charm to any room. Y'all, this next hack is for all my fellow vintage lovers out there. We're taking an old door and giving it new life as a stunning headboard. Talk about character. This is a great way to add a touch of history and charm to your bedroom. First things first, find yourself a door with some personality. Flea markets, antique shops, and even your own attic are great places to start your search. Once you've found the perfect candidate, give it a good cleaning and inspection. Now it's time to decide on a finish. You can embrace its natural patina, give it a fresh coat of paint, or highlight its unique grain with a beautiful stain. For this project, I'm picturing a romantic vintage vibe, so I'm going to enhance the door's natural beauty with a coat of whitewash stain. Next, you'll need to measure your bed width and mark the door accordingly. This will ensure that your headboard fits perfectly behind your bed. Once you've made your marks, carefully cut the door to size using a saw. Now comes the exciting part, mounting your new headboard. You can use heavy-duty mounting brackets for this, which you can find at any hardware store. Make sure the brackets are securely attached to both the wall and the door for maximum stability. And there you have it, a one-of-a-kind, statement-making headboard that's bursting with character and charm. Dress it up with fairy lights, hang some artwork above it, or add some cozy throw pillows for a touch of softness. Sweet dreams, y'all. Next up, let's dive into making a DIY bookshelf from wooden crates. This project is perfect for adding a rustic touch to your home decor while keeping things stylish and functional. First, gather your materials. You'll need 4 to 6 wooden crates, which you can find at craft stores or even repurpose from old fruit crates. Give them a good sanding to smooth out any rough edges. Now, arrange the crates in a layout that suits your space. You can stack them vertically for a tall bookshelf or arrange them horizontally for a lower, wider unit. Once you're happy with your design, secure the crates together using screws and a drill. For added stability, attach a backing board to the rear of the crates. This will also give your bookshelf a more polished look. You can leave the crates in their natural wood finish for a rustic vibe, or paint them in a color that matches your room's decor. After the paint dries, it's time to decorate. Fill your new bookshelf with your favorite reads, decorative items, and even some small plants to bring life to your space. And there you have it. A beautiful custom bookshelf made from simple wooden crates. Not only is this project budget-friendly, but it also adds a unique, personal touch to your home. Next up, let's get creative with a DIY plant stand made from recycled materials. This eco-friendly project is perfect for showcasing your favorite plants while being kind to the environment. First, gather your materials. You'll need some old wooden planks, a few metal brackets, and any other recycled items you think could add a unique touch to your plant stand. Start by cutting your wooden planks to the desired height and width of your plant stand. Sand down any rough edges to ensure a smooth finish. Next, assemble the base of the stand using the metal brackets to secure the planks together. You can add additional shelves or tiers depending on how many plants you want to display. For a more personalized touch, consider painting or staining the wood in a color that complements your home decor. Once the paint or stain is dry, arrange your plants on the stand. You can mix and match different sizes and types of plants to create a visually appealing display. And there you have it, a unique, eco-friendly plant stand made entirely from recycled materials. Not only does this project help reduce waste, but it also adds a touch of nature to your home. And there you have it, folks. Affordable DIY furniture hacks for stunning results. Which hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, you don't need to spend a fortune to have a stylish, cozy home. With a little creativity and DIY magic, you can transform any space on a budget. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome DIY content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY adventure. Happy crafting!